Hey, everybody. Now let's really piss them off and fuck up their whole equation. We're going to jump timelines now and get into progressive second algebra. We still got more in first, but let's keep them fucked up. Okay? Now, we're going to start with the fundamental operations. Now, we're going to get into how their whole system operates. And we're going to start with signed numbers. Okay? Positive and negative numbers are used to designate opportunities. Oh, yeah. Because, see, that's going off everything I'm breaking down in progressive first algebra. But I've already understood that too much, right? My bad. This is just kind of like a deeper recap of everything I already broke down, isn't it? Thus, if positive 5 steps means 5 steps to the right, and negative 5 steps means 5 steps to the left. Wait, remember I exposed they tried this literal positive and negative thing in the Alano Club in Oxnard, California, where they told me to choose a path, right or left. Are you understanding I've seen through your bullshit this whole time yet? But we'll keep going. The absolute value of a positive or a negative number is the arithmetic value remaining when the sign of the given number is omitted. You understand what that means? Omitted. If you don't do what we say, we're going to kick you the fuck out. Thus, the absolute value of -3 or of +3 is 3. And this is how they make the arguments using a positive and negative effect to say, no, this is what you said. This is confusion because remember, words are spells. Okay. The points on a line are often indicators, thus, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. Just as $5 gain combined with $5 loss produces 0. And this is showing you what they do to doctor up the books and their spreadsheets, because I already exposed they do their rounding to the 100th to use quantum entanglement to steal money. And we're watching the government. Everything's busting apart, isn't it? Fuck y'all. +3 plus -3 equals 0. This is the lie they push about checks and balances. They just only give you the surface level. You have to see behind the veil to understand how it works. +n plus -n equals 0. A positive no and a negative no equals 0. That's how they deal with things in a board, to confuse you. Wait, you remember Office Space? This is literally broken down in Office Space. Remember when the two Bobs, ironically, that's Dr. Bob, met with him? Two of them. A positive O and a negative O. Wait, this goes for police work too. You have the good cop and the bad cop? Come on, you stupid fucks. Just as the $5 gain combined with $3 gain gives $8 gain. So, +5 plus +3 equals +8. Simply, -5 plus -3 equals -8. To add two numbers having the same sign, add their absolute values and profit their common signs. You know, that's why they set up relationships with celebrities, right? They're doing stock evaluations on their value before they make casting in movies. Oh, wait, I'm understanding this too big, right? That's all how they do positive. or politics, right? Yeah. This is starting to make sense. Religion. Hmm. Hmm. Making a lot of sense now, isn't it? Just as $5 gain combined with $3 gain, $3 loss gives $2 gain. So it's the whole equation. Let me break this down in a second. Plus 5 plus negative 3 equals positive 2. Negative 15 plus 5 equals negative 10. And this is how they equate their setups of your celebrities. Why do you think Machine Gun Kelly was put with fucking what's her name from Transformers? Oh yeah, because he was negative because Eminem just destroyed him, and they're trying to make this letter right here. Where's that? Just as $5 gain combined with a $3 loss gives a $2 gain. Seriously, like you understand how easy this all is to see through? To add two numbers having unlike signs, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger and prefer to the results the sign of the number having the larger absolute value. Since negative 3 plus negative 7 equals negative 10, then negative 10 minus negative 3 equals negative 7. The results can be secured by adding positive 3 to negative 10. That is positive 10 plus, or negative 10 plus positive 3 equals negative 7. This suggests the rule. Remember, I'm breaking down how to use algebra to control every scene, control every situation, control everything, and manipulate it? Yeah, I just jumped timelines and I'm breaking down how they literally do it. To subtract one number from another, change the sign of the subtracted and add the result to the minute. Thus, negative 6 plus positive 4 equals negative 6 plus negative 4, or negative 10. Wait, I broke down that's what the bitches at the fucking, was it? The Wagon Wheel in Camarillo, California, tried to do with me. Having that little bitch try to steal my story because he already had a value in the market, right? Huh. I seen through it all. I just found the books how to explain it to y'all. So y'all are an embarrassing disgrace. You know that, right? The subtraction is the number subtracted, and the minuenda is the number from which the subtrahend is subtracted. Oh, subtrahend. The trend is subtracted. This is how they manipulate what you start because they don't want it to happen. Understand, the subtrahend trend. Get it? Adding a negative number gives the same result as subtracting the corresponding positive number. Thus, plus 11 plus negative 3 gives the same result as plus 11 minus positive 3. Oh, wait. That's how the algorithms work on our social media, doesn't it? It's how the news does things when something comes out, but it's not sponsored by the right people. I will break every fucking thing you fucking touch, motherfuckers. Stop fucking with me.